It had been raining all evening when Ria ducked into the old cafe near her college. She hadn't planned to stop. She didn't even like coffee. But the rain was too heavy and her umbrella had broken halfway down the street. She found a small table by the window and watched the raindrops race each other down the glass. That's when she noticed it. An umbrella leaning against the next chair. Bright yellow with tiny hand painted flowers near the handle. Curious, she asked the waiter, "Did someone forget this?" The waiter, a boy her age, shrugged. "It's been there for weeks. No one comes back for it." She smiled. Who would paint flowers on an umbrella and then just leave it behind? When the rain slowed, she reached for it. She hesitated, but then opened it anyway, stepping out, stepping out into the drizzle. The next day, it rained again. She returned the umbrella to the same cafe, left it on the same chair. Somehow, it felt wrong to keep it. She ordered tea this time and sat, watching the street. That's when he walked in. Soaked to the bone, hair dripping, searching the cafe like he'd lost something important. His eyes landed on the yellow umbrella. He looked at her, surprised. "Did you find this?" Ria nodded. "I borrowed it yesterday. Is it yours?" He laughed. "It was my sister's. She painted it. She passed away last year. I guess I left it here once. Couldn't bring myself to take it home." They sat in silence for a moment. Two strangers bound by rain and a forgotten umbrella. When he stood to leave, he held it out to her. "You keep it," he said, smiling softly. She would have liked that. Ria stepped out into the rain once more, the bright yellow canopy above her, feeling strangely protected. Not just from the rain, but from the loneliness she didn't know she'd been carrying too.